Hey there everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to download CapCut on PC or laptop. So let's get started. First of all, open up the browser, any of the browser. So I will go with Google Chrome. So let's just open it. And after that, you need to search on the Google like CapCut. Search for CapCut for PC. Just search for it and hit enter. And as you can see, we got the website to download the CapCut, the CapCut.com, which is the official website for CapCut. Just go to their website, and from here you will see the download button right over here. So tap on the download, and then as you can see, we got the download option coming right over here. So after downloading it, you can simply just tap on this, and as you can see, we got the CapCut installer. So now what you can simply do is to location, tap on the location, and as you can see, it is being located into our C drives. So you can simply do that, and it's just simply installing our CapCut. So it's very simple, guys. So let's just wait. So as you can see, guys, we got the CapCut on our profile. So it is just now testing the environment like your PC requirements. It's just checking real quick to match up the settings for the CapCut to run on your PC. Then your computer can run CapCut smoothly. Then you need to tap on confirm. And as you can see, guys, we got our CapCut. So that's how you can simply download CapCut on PC or laptop. So thank you so much guys for watching. Have a great day.